Hey there, it's Matt again from Spiral Warmups. We have so many new members this year that I'd like to give an overview of the 2019-2020 navigation system to get you moving around in all of your warmups. Yeah. The first thing you'll do after logging in is show up at your member dashboard. The dashboard has your account, which allows you to manage your billing and receipts. And then it has your warm-ups, and that's the default tab you'll start on. On your warm-ups tab, you'll see free word study, you'll see fluency builder, you'll see the awesome membership warm-ups, and we have a link to our progress monitoring resources. The next tab you'll see is the literacy sequences. These came out new last year. The literacy sequences allow you to work from the beginning of the year all the way through. It's a pre-designed warm-up sequence that embeds spiral review of the variety of skills throughout the school year. You also have a tab for support where you can find support articles and contact information. You also will see the news tab, which gives you links to our recent blog post and knowledge base articles. I hope you find this quick tutorial helpful in navigating the hundreds of warm-ups you have at your disposal. Thanks for watching.